Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the new topic that is called combinations. As you studied earlier in the previous three exercise 7.1, 2 and 3, we will discuss about the permutation. There is a major difference between permutation and combination. In case of permutation, we always discuss about the arrangements, but in case of combination, we always discuss about the process of selections. So there is a major difference between arrangement and selections. Now see, how can we represent the combination? The combination can be represented with the help of C, and inside it is N, comma R. This is the representation of combination. Or combination can be represented N, C, R in this way. The rules are the same as for the permutation. Number 1, N should be greater than R, N is equals to R, but N can never be less than R. These rules are same, and R can never be negative and fraction. N can never be negative and fractions. The rules are the same for the combination. Value of N is always greater than R, value of N is equals to R, and value of N can never be less than R, and value of R can never be negative and can never be in fractions. Now, how to simplify this combination? See, NCR is equals to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is the difference between PNR and CNR. देखो, in PNR you simply say N factorial upon N minus R factorial. But when it is divided by R factorial, so it will become the combination. Or we can say NCR is equals to 1 upon R factorial along with NPR. So this result also can be written in this form. But it is no result used by us only in the special condition whenever he provides some value to us to calculate the other thing. Then we can utilize. Otherwise we utilize the combinations. Now see, how can we open the combinations? First of all, 10C4. Now according to formula of 10C4, the combination is 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. The simple formula, 10 factorial, it is 10 minus 4, 6 factorial, it is 4 factorial, it is 10 factorial. Now we know if we want to open a factorial, we can open up to any limit. It depends upon us whether we want to stop that factorial on the way or not. See this one, this 10 factorial, it is 10, 9, 8 into 7 into 6. I stop here because 6 factorial is available here. It will get cancelled. Only need to open 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this 6 factorial get cancelled. 4 2 the 8 get cancelled. 3 3 the 9. Your answer is 7 3 the 21 into 10. 210. This is a way to open a combination, that is 10C4. This method is quite long method if we open it by the formula. But there are some shortcut method by the help of which we can simplify. Now see the shortcut method by which we can open it. See this one. How can we simplify this one? Shortcut method to simplify. Number 1. Listen it very carefully. What is the number given in the form of R? That is equals to 4. Okay. And what is the number given in the form of N? That is equals to 10. So we reduce the value of N by 1 in each step, and maximum step we can travel, that is 4. Which number is here? So I repeat here. we reduce the value of n by 1 in each step, and maximum step we can take, that is 4, which is given in the form of r. Now see, first step is 10, second step reduce 1, that is 9, third step reduce 1, that is 8, fourth step reduce 1, that is 7. See this one, 10 reduce 1 9, reduce 1 8, reduce 1 7. How many steps we take? We take 4 steps. Divide by. Now the number start from 4. 4 reduce 1 3, next 2, next 1. So at last we reach up to the value 1. That is the maximum, because negative factorial does not exist. And therefore after simplification, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is again 210. So you can simplify by any one of the method, but I always prefer to go with this method because it will save your time. So this is a way to open a combination. Now see this one, when we open a combination, this value is 10C4. Now I find one more value of 10C4. See, I want to find out 10C6. After getting the 10C6, now simplify, it is equals to what? Again in the same manner, it is 10, it is 9, it is 8, it is 7, it is 6, it is 5. See this one, 6 steps should be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now divide by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means simplify, 6 and 5 get cancelled, 4 2s are 8 get cancelled, 3 3s are 9 get cancelled, 7 3s are 10, 21 and 10, 210. What we observe? The value of 10C4 is equals to 10C6. The both give the same result. It means what I observe, see, 10C4 is equals to 10C6. This result obtained by me during the calculations. Now we will implement with one property. See this one. This is your n. So it is n, it is c. This is your r. Is any relation between this 10 and 6 so that you will get a number this? We observe if 10 and 6 are related to each other with the help of subtraction. Means if 6 is subtracted from the 10, we will get the 4. So it means it is NC. This 6 will be changed into 10 minus 6. That is n minus r. This is the property. See this one. 10C4. It is 10C4. It is what? 10C 10 minus 6. That is equals to 4. So both will give the same result as you observe. So this is the property that NCR is equals to NC n minus r. This is the first property of combination, and it is a way to open a combination.